Well, it's the Rustic Retreat weekend. We're headed up to Cheboygan State Park to stay at the 14 Foot Shoals Cabin. We're gonna be there all weekend with no electricity, no running water. We're just packing up the car right now. So follow along and see this wonderful weekend, and hope you enjoy. So we made it to the cabin. We're just getting it heated up, got the wood stove going, and now we're gonna be heading out to the water, well, the ice, and see some of the formations out there. There's some blue ice, and we can see what the Lake Huron looks like over looking towards the Straits of Mackinac. It's pretty nice. It's about 4 inches of snow. We got some maybe coming tonight, and we're gonna get dinner started in a little bit after we come back. So you can see we're over by the blue ice. This is where the water is pushed up, all the big ice chunks here, and the quality of the ice makes it look blue. We're not too far from the cabin. It's within eye shot, just a little bit over there. See the smoke. So it's a nice view outside of our window. We get almost a view right out here, so it's a nice little spot. We had a good brunch. We're on a little hike. Some of us are snowshoeing, some of us are just hiking in boots. Taking one of the trails at Cheboygan State Park. We're gonna end up towards the campground, maybe go see the bay. That's right around the southern side of the state park. Snow's pretty crunchy, pretty cold. So far it's a good hike. So we're out on the bay. We're gonna hike over the ice, over to one of the peninsulas. We're gonna kind of cut from peninsula to peninsula back to the cabin. Not too bad of a breeze, maybe about 10 miles an hour. It's pretty cold. Hiking, we're hitting some ice and then some crusty snow, so we're falling through. So it's a good mix of needing snowshoes and maybe not. so it's our final day here. We're going for a little bit of a hike before we have to pack up and get everything in the car for the drive home. It snowed about 1.5 inches, 2 inches overnight. Still snowing a little bit here and there, but it was a good night, had a good meal. Woke up with some good French toast, and we're heading out probably in about 2 hours.